What's up, everyone? This is Bill with BLR Tuning. You guys know what time it is. Today we are down here at our shop. We are working on this Yamaha R1, and we have a new product available on our website. Just a new item available. This kit will fit the 2004 to 2006 Yamaha R1. This is going to replace those nasty, crusty Phillips head bolts that are holding down the airbox lid with some really nice stainless steel hardware. There will be a link in the description. It's available on our website. So it uses these Phillips screws and here on the airbox, and they get stripped really easy on the head, and they're sometimes real tough to come out. You have one there, and then you have 9 surrounding it. So what we've added over to our website is some stainless steel bolts with stainless steel washers. These are 304 stainless, high grade bolts. 3mm Allen head. So it's going to be a much cleaner install, and they'll outlast the bike. You know, these aren't going to rust on you. They're stainless steel. You can see how these are all rusty and nasty. You know, they're from 2005, so they're old. They're original. And the majority of them, the head is just completely chewed up. You can see here, just all chewed up. You can barely get a Phillips on there. So what it'll come with when you order this, it'll come with the 10 bolts and 9 washers. So you use the washers on the outside and no washer in that middle one, so that way you can drop that bolt in there attached to your 3mm Allen. You can use a T-handle or a socket, but you can see what we're using there. So pretty straightforward install. So you can see how it looks right here. We already got one in there on this side. So we'll put one in right here, and then like I said, we'll just drop one right in the center with no washer. So you don't got to worry about the washer falling off inside there and trying to line it up, and everything can be a pain in the ass. But anyway, we wanted to offer this. They'll thread right in. They match the holes perfectly. They go a little tiny bit deeper than the original screws also, so they got a better bite onto the threads down in there. So pretty straightforward process. Pull out your Phillips ones. This is a replacement for them. A little upgrade, some stainless steel hardware, but we just wanted to offer it. We're going to use it on this bike here, and we wanted to, you know, offer it as a option, because I've worked on a few of these older bikes, and they all, you know, end up having problems when people, you know, when Yamaha first started doing this, they were using those Phillips. So I'm sure if you look at yours, if it's been apart a few times, it'll be all nasty. So you can see there, stainless steel washer, stainless steel bolt. Again, install the 9 around the edges with a washer. 10th one right there with no washer. Pretty straightforward stuff. Anyways, just want to do that quick little video and show you guys that. It'll be available on our website. There'll be a link in the description below, so you can get yourself a nice little set that you know is going to fit. Comes with everything you need. Pretty straightforward stuff, guys. Replace your nasty chewed up Phillips head bolts. Don't forget this one right here. 9 of them around the edges using washer and a stainless steel bolt in our kit. And then one in the middle right here without the washer. Okay? So you'll get 10 bolts, 9 washers in the kit, 3mm Allen head, stainless steel, high grade stuff. Anyway, I'm Bill with BLR Tuning. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video helps somebody out. Link in the description below to go purchase. If you need your R1 tuned, we do offer ECU flash tuning. ECU is right inside behind the airbox. We also offer power commander tuning for these bikes as well, and any other fuel injected bike. We are a DynoJet distributor, so you can find DynoJet products on our website as well. And we use Woolwich Racing for our ECU flash tuning software. And, you know, the wire harnesses and whatnot. Anyways, go check us out, blrtuning.co. Give us a call, schedule an appointment. We can work on your bike for you. Go check out our website. Peace.